video, as y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all my natural curly hair routine. So before we get to this video, make sure y'all follow me on my socials and let's get to this video. So before I get started, I am going to be showing y'all the little products that I'm gonna be using. So the little hair products that I use, I don't really use that many products. I just use like simple regular products that be cheap. I don't know, because I feel like shampoo and conditioner is just shampoo and conditioner, so I just use whatever. So this is the conditioner I'm gonna be using. This Suave Essential Juicy Green Apple. This is the one that I'm gonna be using. And for the shampoo that I barely have is this Suave. Y'all look, it look like it's got water in it, but this is the little bit that I have left. Or I might just use like some other type of shampoo, I don't know. But yeah, so those are the only two products that I'm gonna be using in my hair, and I'm gonna show y'all like how I style my hair and stuff afterwards. So yeah, also keep a scrunchie with me, because when I'm in the shower I like to pull all my hair up and put it in a scrunchie, because I don't like all that water and stuff touching my neck, because that feel weird. So yeah, now we're finna get in the shower and we about to wash our hair. Yes, I'm keeping this tank top on. So what I'm about to do is heat the water up. I like to wash my hair in hot water, like kind of hot, kind of cold water. And then when I'm putting the conditioner in my head, I like to use cold water. I don't know, I just like to do that. So I'm about to turn some hot water on, and I'm about to take this bonnet off first. My hair look like this in every video. This is ratchet. But yeah, so I'm about to get in, and of course I have to take this out. All right, so we got our hair out or whatever. So the only thing that I use when I'm washing my hair is of course my detangle brush, because this gets all of like just everything out. And when I wash my hair like with the conditioner, when I put the conditioner in my hair, I like to, y'all will see. So this is the only thing that I use when I'm washing my hair, because it's the only thing that actually detangles my hair. So yeah, now we're about to get in the shower and we're gonna wash our hair. So I actually had to use a different type of shampoo, because the one that I was using actually ran out. So I put this all in my roots, because this is what you do, what you're supposed to do. And depending on like the hairstyle that I do, I like to move my hair in that way when I wash it. So like if I'm doing the top knot like I'm gonna be doing, I flip my hair over, but I only do that when I apply the conditioner. So it can be easy to comb, if that makes sense. When I shampoo my hair, I get everywhere, like everywhere, because if y'all see my hair tutorials, you know, like I be applying them hair products like all up here, just everywhere. So I look messy. So we about to wash this before that soap get in my eye. So I'm about to put some hot water back on, or warm water, whatever, and we about to rinse this out. Just make sure you get it everywhere, and I like to do 2 rounds before I actually put the conditioner stuff in. Alright, so we're finna go for the last round until we add the conditioner, but this is what my hair looks like when I wash it. So I wanna see the back. Alright, so we're finna do 1 more round of shampoo, and we're gonna get this all around. When I shampoo my hair, actually, I also scratch my scalp as I'm doing it. Just give your hair a little massage. Alright, so last look at the hair with the shampoo. After we rinse this out, I'm gonna go in with my conditioner, and conditioning is my favorite part actually. It just feels good. I like the way conditioner feels in my hair, and I actually leave conditioner in sometimes. But it's funny how I'm leaving this conditioner in, and this is not even meant to be left in your hair. I mean, nothing's gonna happen, but so. Now let's rinse. All right, so we're done with the shampoo. Now we're about to add the conditioner. I can't wait to start wearing my hair out because I barely wear my hair out. So I just put this everywhere, like really. And of course we're gonna need way more than that. But I like conditioner because it makes my hair have volume. Like it doesn't be dry. If this conditioner could work on my hair, it probably could work on anybody's hair. So I don't do my hair in sections. I know a lot of people do that. Like I don't have time to be doing my hair in no sections. I just go right ahead and wash it all together and brush it out together. I don't have time for that. But this is what I keep doing. I just keep adding the conditioner and putting it in my hair until my hair feels how I, like it to feel. Because I can't really describe how it feels. It just feels good. So one more bit, and I'm gonna leave this conditioner in my head. That's why I said I need to get some leave-in conditioner, because I mean this isn't leave-in conditioner, this is regular conditioner. So I finger detangle. That's another thing. You should be able to finger detangle your hair. And that's what I do. So now we're gonna go in with our detangle brush, and we finna just brush. All right, so this is all I do. And since I'm doing a top knot, I'm gonna flip my hair over and brush it like that, just so when I'm doing the top knot, it makes my hair easy to detangle. So I'm gonna flip my hair over like that. I just like playing in my hair, so now we're finna brush. All right, so this is where the scrunchie comes in. And boom. All right, so this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna show y'all like a quick way of how I style it. It's just gonna be quick. So this is really like what I do to my hair. It's really nothing, just wash it, shampoo it, and nothing special. So yeah, so I will be back once I'm all cleaned up. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm back, and what I'm about to do is show y'all how I do like my little hair or whatever. So since I'm gonna be doing a top knot, since it's already up there, I'm not gonna take the conditioner out, but I'm gonna kind of like rinse it in the sink so it won't be too much falling out as I'm styling my hair. But all the stuff that I'm gonna be using is basically what I normally use in my videos. Is my softie. Also, you're gonna need a scrunchie, and I'm gonna just show y'all how I do it. It's just gonna be like a quick little thing that I show y'all because I already have a video on it. All right, so this is what our hair looks like with all the conditioner and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is pull this up and like toward the tip of it, I'm gonna add like a scrunchie or something. And here I got my gel, and I'm gonna put a little gel. I don't put a lot when I like after I wash my hair and I leave the conditioner in. Sometimes I don't leave the conditioner in, but for days that I do, I just put like a little conditioner, because when my hair is wet, it's kind of easier to style, so I don't really need a lot of product. So I just like put some gel all around, and then I'ma just pull my hair up. Like I'm not gonna do my edges or nothing. Alright, so that's how I do that, and I just style it. But I think for now I'm gonna just chill and leave my hair like this, cause why not? So yeah, I just pull all my hair up and I just chill. Like, this is what I do. I know I look a mess, hold on. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave it like this, and of course the white stuff is the conditioner, and I just leave all my hair like to the side and I just style it later on. But for as now, I'm gonna leave it like this, and this is really it. Like, this is how I do my little curly hair routine. So if you want to see how I make like my little top knots, I do have a video on it, and I think I should do an updated one. But yeah, so this is how my natural hair routine goes. So just very simple, whatever. Yeah, so yeah, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Make sure you follow me on my socials, and I will see y'all in the next video.